Hi everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how we can solve the issue of AMD heat up in the laptop, so follow the steps which I will perform during the video. Right-click the battery icon and select Power Options. Select Balance Recommended and then click Change Plan Setting. Now click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down and double-click on PCI Express, then double-click on Link State Power Management. And set maximum power saving on both conditions. Now double-click on Processor Power Management and set Passive on System Cooling Policy on both, and click on Maximum Processor State and set it 50% on both. Set ATI Power Play setting on maximum battery life. Hit Apply. Now go to AMD Properties and set CPU processor speed on minimum level. Now right-click on this PC Properties and click Advanced System Settings. Click on Performance tab Settings. Now click Adjust for the best performance. And check the few tabs, select only those which I will mark for this video. Now hit Apply. I hope you will like the video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next video.